Okay, in this example, you get to see how you can apply some of your rational expressions in an application problem. And this one also ties back to some shapes you did back in geometry. So this is talking about the volume and surface area of a cylinder. And they want you to compare the ratio of the volume to the surface area for cylinder A, and then compare that to B and kind of see which one's the biggest. If you've forgotten the formulas are right there for volume and surface area of cylinders. So let's go on with cylinder A. So the volume of cylinder A is pi r squared times the height. Well, according to the height on cylinder A, it's really twice the radius. So we're going to put 2r. And then we're going to do surface area on the denominator. So 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r, and remember that height is twice the radius. From here, we're going to simplify. So remember, when you're multiplying like bases, the rule is you add exponents. So the numerator would become 2 pi r cubed. The denominator, we can kind of simplify the second part over here to 4 pi r squared. 2 pi r squared and 4 pi r squared, those are like terms. So we can combine those to 6 pi r squared. Well, simplifying that, 2/6 reduces to 1/3. Pi over pi becomes 1. R cubed divided by r squared, the rule is you subtract exponents, so we'd have an r in the top. So the ratio in cylinder A of the volume to the surface area is 1/3 r. Okay, so let's go through that same process for cylinder B. So cylinder B's volume would be pi r squared. This time the height is 3 times the radius, so they've made cylinder B taller. And then we'll put surface area on the bottom, so 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r, and again substitute in that height. And we are going to simplify just like we did on cylinder B. So 3 pi r cubed and 6 pi r squared. Again, these guys are like terms, so we can put them together and make that 8 pi r squared. And if we simplify, well, 3 over 8 doesn't reduce anymore, but pi over pi can reduce to 1, and r cubed divided by r squared becomes r. And so the question was, which one had the greater ratio? Well, cylinder B has the greater ratio. 3/8 is bigger than 1/3. Okay?